আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমরা এই মুহূর্তে যাচ্ছি পেপিরাস, ইজিপশিয়ান পেপিরাস যে পেপার, সে পেপার ইনস্টিটিউটে। এটা হচ্ছে ইজিপ্টের অন্যতম একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ শিল্প, পেপিরাস। এখানে আমাদেরকে হাতে কলমে সব দেখানো হবে।
أهم حاجة الإسلامي. هات كده، هات من حاجتين ثلاثة إسلامي وراه.
পেপিরাস পেপার কিভাবে বানায়? পেপিরাস পেপার, পেপিরাস মানে এটা কিভাবে বানায়? মিশরের
How to make the first paper in the world, papyrus paper, and how to know the difference between the original and the fake. Come. All right, so as you see, this is papyrus plant. It used to be holy and sacred plant for the ancient Egyptians for two reasons. The first reason is the flower part. They believe it looks close like sun rays, symbol of God Amun Ra, god of the sun for the ancient Egyptians. And the second part, as you see, pyramid shape, symbol of eternity and eternal life. As you see, we have many sizes: large, medium, small, and more. It's all according to the size of the plant. So this plant can go up to 4 meters, and this is how we make the big sizes like this. But now I'll give you an example for how to make a small size. So, for example, this piece, then we remove the green part. Also, the green part, most of it really strong and really flexible, so the ancient Egyptians used to use it to make baskets, boots, sandals, ropes, and more. Try to pull it. As you see, it's really strong. But the most important is the inner part, because this is the part where we make the paper. Also, as you see, the inner part can be broken easily. Why? Because it has amount of water and sugar. So, to remove the water, اطفي المراوح يا ابني. All right, so first, to remove the water, we use the hammer. Then, to remove the water completely, we use the hand roll. As you see, the water is out. So it became now more strong and more flexible. Then we put it again in the water, because 1 week in the water will make the white version like this. 2 weeks in the water will make the brown version like this. Or as you see here, like this. So the longer it stays in the water, the darker it gets. Then we get 2 pieces of carpets like this, and we arrange them in 2 lines, horizontally and vertically. And the sugar in the plant, when we put it in the water, it became natural glue, which helped the strips stick together naturally without any chemicals. Then we cover it. But also, the ancient Egyptians didn't have carpets or cotton like this, so they used to use animal skin, the skin of animal. Then we put it here for 1 more week. But they also didn't have hand press or any machines, so they used to use stones, 2 big stones to push on the animal skin. Now, 1 week, white paper, 2 weeks, 1 week, the brown paper. And this is the result, the first paper in the world, also the original one. Now, how to know that this is the original, not the fake? As you see, under the light, we have 2 lines, horizontally and vertically, like this, like I did here. But the fake ones made from banana leaf or other materials will only have 1 line, horizontally or vertically. Also, as you see, try to smell it. Smell it. You smell something? What do you smell? You smell something? No? You smell something? As you see, it barely have a smell because there is no chemicals inside. 0 chemicals. All the process from 1 to 10, 100% natural, and that's the beauty about it. Now, the most important thing about the original one, as you see, this way or this way, really strong. You can roll it. Moment. قول له عمر يعلق يسلم متر في سنة. Fold it and still zero damage. Unlike in a normal paper, this can live for many years and actually did. It lived more than 5,000 years and still exists. And now the ones made by the ancient Egyptians and the ones made by the ancient Egyptians made from papyrus plants. Also, everything we have made from the same plant, so we only have the original one. Now, please follow me. This way.
এটা কি করবে
انت يا مؤمن اللي هناك. Excuse me, come closer, come closer.
এদিকে যান এদিকে যান এদিকে যান
Come closer, excuse me, come closer, come closer.
Papyrus factory.
I see everyone is Muslim, I'm Muslim too, alhamdulillah. So we're gonna skip for the Quranic and just keep on the Islam. Okay? So for example, here we have Al-Fatiha, Ayat Al-Kursi, Yasin, Al-Ikhlas, Al-Falaq, and Al-Nas. All of them in one painting made from papyrus. Now please come with me this way. Side.